Dublin Marathon is officially less than 30 days, and today's run is 25k. I'm going to do the back end of the actual course, so I thought I'd take you guys on a little tour of Dublin. And it's raining. Less than 1 kilometre in and the hood is up already. Just coming onto the common road now. I have to go this way, up that way, which is technically home turf, right? That's where my granny got us from. Gate bar, 5 kilometres in, just at the children's hospital, and we are going to go that way. Star bingo. Black Forge. I think you know who owns that place. Just left the Cumberland Road. Now we're going to run straight up here and go left on the walking town roundabout. It did stop raining for a little bit. Now it started again. Okay, I'm coming up to 7 kilometres now. I'm going to take a little jet. These taste like paddy falloos, liquid paddy falloos. Remember them? Unreal. Done. Just crossed 10k. Feeling good. I am going to stop though and take this jacket off because it stopped raining now and it's actually getting really warm. Ah, my god, so much better. It was so warm there. We're coming up in the turn here, and this is the place with all the nice houses. This is one of my favourite roads in Dublin. The houses are unbelievable. Look at them. So nice. I am coming up to halfway into my run. So I'm 12.5 kilometres in. Feeling good. So just halfway. Feeling good. The only thing that I actually forgot to do was to stretch. I never stretched before I started the run. And that's because it was lashing rain, so my legs are feeling a little bit tight. Ugh. The joys of marathon training, huh? "13 kilometres in, well actually 13 and a half. I think now is the time for second gel. This one's an orange high energy one. Wish we could get these with Guinness in it, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Done. I'm starting to feel it now, not gonna lie. And it's starting to rain again. This is one of the hills. Come on, up the hill. I need to walk for a second. That hill kills me. See this part of the road here? This takes you back down to the Sturgeon Road, and that's you officially on the way back into town. And during the marathon and during all my training, this is by far my favourite stretch. This is where I feel like fuck this, I've come a long way, I'm not going to feel now. City centre, 8 kilometres, for me it's 7. Sturgeon Road, happy days. We're on the way back now. I'm going to finish at Merrion Square. I think it works out about 25k. It might actually be a little bit further, but we'll see. Just past 20k there. I'm done now at this stage. Where is the end? We're officially on the way into Ballsbridge, coming up to the RDS. This is a really cool part of the marathon because everybody's out and the crowd here is just amazing. We're officially at the RDS, which is good. And that over there, I believe, is Facebook. Yeah, it is, yeah, that's the Meta building. We're so close now at this stage. I probably should have taken another gel, but I'm too close now to start that. Oh, it's a cool building, isn't it? Wow. There you go. There's Dublin's property crisis. There's an auction and there's about 50 people bidding on that one house. God knows how much that house costs as well. The marathon actually ends down that other road, but I'm going to go straight ahead so I can finish in Merrion Square. I think there's actually something on today. The big American football game tomorrow. I don't want to stop. I'm going to get this stuff done. Not sure what it is. Some guy's talking. Nearly there, nearly there. Job done. I'm gonna go into this park here and see if I can find a seat that I can sit on so I can properly stretch out my legs. Oh my god. The runs do get easier as you go along, to be fair. This looks like a perfect place for me to stretch. I think we should go get some lunch.